I give it to him, y'all. Prescott showed his butt. Jill, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Cowboy Nation, y'all. They can't mess with us, y'all. Cowboys, y'all. Shows. Oh, we did that thing, y'all. Shit. Oh man, they had me crunk, boy. I was crunk, y'all. Say they gonna say, hey, we did that thing, y'all. Get it. Cowboy Nation, y'all. Keep up the good work. Yeah, Big O. Big O. My boy. We did that thing, Big O. Yeah, Cowboy Nation, y'all. 7-1 Cowboys. We did that thing, boy. My boy. We did that, y'all. No cap, y'all. Treat yourself, don't beat yourself. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, y'all. So keep up the good work, everybody. On your channel, you did. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about, y'all. Keep up the good work, y'all. From Dallas, Texas, you did. That's what I'm telling y'all. Keep up the good work, y'all. Yeah, Cowboy. Gotta roll me a fat one. They gotta get me a fat daddy win on this one. That was a good ass win, y'all. Yeah, I know people gonna say I win because they posted one. No, they didn't. These people ain't looking like that. So good work. Washington, y'all did a good job. You know what I'm talking about. But hey, the Cowboys say they ain't gonna lie, they was in beast mode. You did, y'all. I have to roll a fat daddy for this one, y'all. Hey, baby. Yeah, ready for the 49ers, y'all. Y'all better get ready for the 49ers, y'all. They up next. So get ready, y'all. So yeah. I'm ready to see what they gonna do too, y'all. So it's going down, y'all. I hope they put a stain on them too, cause say it's going down, y'all. Yeah, time to crank it up, y'all. See what the 49ers gonna do next. That's my girl team, so y'all better get ready. And Black Mud team too, y'all. So yeah, get ready. Them 49ers up next, y'all. Ooh, let's see what it's looking like. Yeah, let's see what it's looking like. Do you hear me? Yes, sir. Well, no, big old torpedo. Well, me old torpedo. Yeah, it is, y'all. It's going down, y'all. Say y'all represent y'all. It's going down, y'all. Cowboys, they did good, y'all. So hey, the record matter. That's all it's about. The record, right, y'all? That's what I'm talking about. It's all about the record. Let's keep the record going, y'all. Cowboy Nation, y'all. We doing a damn fool, y'all. Woo-hoo. Y'all can hate on them Cowboys, y'all. Say they did a good damn job. Prescott, he got out his little bubble, y'all. The boy looking good now, y'all. I can't lie. Y'all know I'll be talking shit about him, y'all. But say, the boy looking good, y'all. That's all I can say. The boy is looking good, man. Say he got a little time on him. He paying attention. The boy throwing the ball on point. He ain't doing all that dumbass shit. Say, much love the Prescott, y'all. That's all I can say. Ooh, wee. It's going down, y'all. Cowboy Nation, baby. Boom, we doing that shit. Ain't no hate. Let's get it, Cowboys. Yes, sir. Fire in the hole, everybody. Say, represent your channel, y'all. It's going down, y'all. Dallas, Texas, Mo. With cooking and love. You did. Let's get it. Bam, baby. Let's get it, y'all. That's how we doing. Fire in the hole. Yes, sir. Cowboy, they doing the damn thing, y'all. Much love to everybody. It's going down, y'all. Cowboys kicking ass, man. I didn't know they were gonna do that shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be a little neck to neck how they were coming off, y'all. Say, then I saw the Cowboy and they got the ball first. That what made it so awesome, y'all. They got the ball first, so they let us see what they gonna do. They didn't do shit. We shut their ass down. Say, it's all good, y'all. That was a good game to say. Cowboy, we on it. We on it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You know how people always want to talk, yeah, that's just like a Cowboy. Y'all win one game, two games, y'all like y'all shit. Say, if y'all seen how the technique and everything, how we were running that game today, say, y'all say what you want, man. Say, the running game on point. Pollard running like he crazy now, man. Say, I don't know what it was, but say, y'all, he's going down for the Cowboys. That's all I can say, man. Say, I'm diehard Cowboy, you know what I'm saying? But say, it is what it is. It is Cowboy Nation, baby. We acting a fool. So all y'all want to bump that shit, talk that shit.